Hi, fifth grade. It's Monday. We're on review week 4, and I am going to, we're going to go and do, instead of doing the page that says Monday at the top, we're going to do a word problem together. I wanted to kind of walk you through one of these multi-step math word problems. We did these a few weeks ago and had lots and lots of questions about this. So we're going to do one together today. You may have this document open on Google Classroom, your slide, and then you can split screen where you can watch the video and do the slide at the same time. You can just open up the video in a new window and then have your Google Classroom slide open in the other window. So our problem today, before we even get started, let's just read the problem. Excuse me. It says, cruise ship A sails 67 miles per day for 7 days. Cruise ship B sails 87 miles per day for 5 days. Which cruise ship travels further? So I'm going to use my little steps here next to the cubes to help me kind of break this question down and see what information that the problem gives me. First thing it says is circle numbers and labels. So I'm going to circle all of my numbers that I'm seeing in my problem. 67, 7, 87, and 5. And then my labels, we've got miles per day, days is my labels. Remember, your label is just what is that number representing or standing for? Well, 67 stands for miles per day. 7 is standing for days. So I'm going to put a check mark next to my C because I've done my circling of my numbers and labels. Now I'm going to underline the question, which cruise ship travels further? Put a check mark next to that box. Box operation clues. So, how am I going to know whether I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Well, I see further. That's one clue. Now remember, this is a multi-step problem. That means I'm going to probably have to do more than one operation. So here's one operation. I think 4 would be another operation up there. So I'm boxing in both of those clues. Now I'm going to look at my question, and it has an arrow pointing to this box because I'm going to answer these questions. What label will my answer have? My answer is going to have miles as the label. And then what information do I have? Well, it tells me how many miles. It tells me how many miles per day. And then it tells me how many days. What do I need? I need to know how many miles they traveled total. And I also need to know which cruise ship went further. Okay, so I've examined my problem. Now, finally, I'm going to solve it step by step. So I have my nice big box here to do my work. I also have my box to type my solution in. If you have a hard time showing all of your work inside your solve box, remember, you can always, some of you have been converting it to a PDF where you can do writing on it, or you can always work on your scrap paper, snap a picture of it, and send it to me either email or through Class Dojo. So the first thing I'm going to do is I boxed in 4 here. So that's telling me that I need to multiply because I know how many miles they traveled each day and how many days they traveled. So I need to multiply the 67 times the 7. Okay, so I'm going to do a real quick little area model here. Remember, I'm going to break my bigger number into my place value, 60 plus 7. My 7 is going to go out here to the side, so I'm going to multiply 60 times 7 first, which was 420, and then 7 times 7 is 49, and then I'm going to add 420 plus 49, You get 469 miles. This is cruise ship A. I'm going to put an A out to the side here. Cruise ship B traveled 87 miles in 5 days. I'm going to do another little area model. You can do any multiplication strategy you want. If you want to do standard algorithm, that's fine. If you'd rather do area model like you learned last year that I'm doing, that's also fine. Whatever one you like better works for you. 80 times 7 is 400. 5 times 7 is 35. And add those two numbers together to get 435 miles. Okay, so now I've answered, I know how many miles each cruise ship traveled total, but I still don't know which cruise ship travels further. Further is telling me I'm going to have to subtract. So 469 minus 435. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. So let's see. Oh, I don't need to know how much further. I just reread my question. Actually, I don't even have to do this. All I have to do is say which one traveled further. Well, cruise ship A traveled further. So I'm going to write cruise ship A in my solution here. Okay, and we did that whole thing together. So hopefully you worked that with me during the video, and you just have to turn it in. You don't have to do any extra work. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.